How to hide your Snapchat story from someone and how to block certain set of people from viewing your Snapchat story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I will show you how you can block few people from actually accessing your stories on Snapchat. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First of all, make sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Snapchat. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've updated Snapchat, I'm going to go ahead and simply open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. By default, right now, whenever you try to upload a certain story, it is going to set it to and show it to everybody who are friends on Snapchat if you set it to your friends. And let's say you want to actually customize that, you don't want certain people to view your story. What you can do is from the very top left hand side, you can see those little Bitmoji profiles. So all you have to do is tap on that Bitmoji profile. As you tap on the Bitmoji profile, right over here again on the top right hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see this gear icon, which is the settings icon. So go ahead and tap on the settings icon. As you tap on the settings icon, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options on the screen again. Here we will actually scroll down a little bit until we get to this option which says privacy controls. And under privacy controls, you can see the option called view my story, and currently mine is set to all my friends. That means that whoever is friend on Snapchat with me will be able to view my story and not the general public. And if you want to block this from certain people, you could simply tap on it. And you basically have three options which says everyone. If you set it to everyone, even if you're not friends with them on Snapchat, if they search for your profile, they will be able to view your story. And my friends basically means, which I explained to you a moment earlier. And in order to block from few people, you have to tap on this third option which says custom. So go ahead and select the custom option, and over here you want to go ahead and select your privacy. So go ahead and choose the people from whom you might want to block your stories from. So go ahead and select the handful number of people. Once you've selected them, at the bottom of the screen you can find this option which says block in this blue button. So go ahead and tap on the block option. As soon as you do that, you can see it says success. Now whenever you upload a story, those people whom you have chose right on the screen will not be able to view your Snapchat story. And this is the way on how you can block someone from viewing your Snapchat story. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.